Hello, I'm Eric Robbibaro, the Life Sciences Industry Manager for M4 Knick. Today, we'll be discussing the CondCheck functionality for the SE605H conductivity sensor. So what is CondCheck? When using a smart digital sensor, the CondCheck function works to verify the analog to digital conversion taking place within the head of the sensor. This verification is crucial to meet the requirements for ultra-pure water and water for injection, according to the USP 645 regulations. Today, we'll be using a modified SE605H Memosens conductivity sensor with CondCheck functionality. This special feature of this model is that there are two sockets under the screw cap for connecting a resistance decade box, which we have on the right. We're inputting a resistance into the analog side of the sensor electronics to verify that the digital sensor is accurate. These tests can be done using any Knick transmitters, but today we'll be using the Portavo portable meter. We'll begin by placing the SE605H conductivity sensor into the vessel and securing it with our tri-clamped hygienic process connection. To use the CondCheck functionality, we will first expose the banana plug ports so that we can attach our decade box. Once attached, we'll finish the process by connecting our Memosens cable to the sensor. First, we will connect the Portavo portable meter to our conductivity sensor. As you can see, once connected, the sensor's characteristics are automatically displayed. Right now, the sensor is in error, so it is displaying a value of 0. This condition is similar to that of a sensor inserted in an empty container. This also acts as the first stage of the test. I will now change the display of the Portavo to the sensor monitoring menu. Once that is done, I will connect the decade box via the two banana plugs. Now that your decade box is connected, you can see the Portavo immediately displays the corresponding resistance value. This is the second stage of the test and verifies that the conversion is working properly. The SE605H is available with various process fittings, including Ingold and tri-clamp. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about CondCheck or any of our other product offerings, please reach out to M4 Knick.